So in order to deal with images like this that are a problem with banding, generally what's happening here is that the file has been over enlarged, and Photoshop is finding that, or the print software is finding that. So there are a couple things you can do to get rid of this. One is to set the, now I've got it here on image print, but I really don't remember where to do it in Photoshop. And I just can't find the place in Ventura. Somewhere there is this thing called feed adjustment. And what you do is you'll set the feed adjustment to about -5. Basically, it's not going to shorten the print. The print may come out a 1/16 of an inch shorter, if anything. But you know, try -5. But that's one thing you can do. You can find that wherever that is in your printing software. Set the feed adjustment to -5, and then on the image itself, what you will do is this. You will create a new layer, and you're going to fill that layer with 50% gray, like that. And then you're going to go up to filter. But what you're going to do is add noise. And add noise. And I'm just going to leave it like that. Boom. Okay. And then you're going to take the opacity and you're going to set it to about 5%. Basically, you really shouldn't see it. Now, if it lightens up your print just a hair, you can always go to here and levels and just, you know, darken it just a hair to make up for that if you have to. But so now you've got this layer here that is only about 5% opacity that has this noise on it. And what that does is it forces the printer to print some of these speckles in here so that your visible eye can't really see them with a visible eye. But that sometimes will get rid of the banding, because what's happening is on this image you've got, which is very monochromatic, all your colors are in a single range. So by putting that speckle in there with the 50% gray, you're kind of tricking the printer. Also making sure that is a 16-bit file, set it to 16-bit and print 16-bit. And those are the only things I can think of. Those things together, though, even if you can't find the feed adjustment, just this one little trick right here may, in fact, help you quite a bit.